Have you ever pondered the idea of launching your own enterprise with minimal investment? If so, the world of dropshipping just might be the answer you've been seeking. So buckle up as we dive deep into the process of starting a dropshipping business, step by step. Dropshipping, in the simplest of terms, is a retail fulfillment model where a store doesn't keep the products it sells in stock. Instead, when a store sells a product using the dropshipping model, it purchases the item from a third party and has it shipped directly to the customer. The first step in this journey is identifying your niche. A niche, in this context, is a specialized segment of the market for a particular kind of product or service. The key here is to find a niche that balances your interests with its potential profitability. Once your niche is identified, the next step is conducting a competitive analysis. This involves identifying your competitors and understanding their strategies and their strengths and weaknesses. Remember, knowledge is power, and in this case, your knowledge can be the difference between success and failure. The third step is to secure a supplier. This is a critical step as the supplier will be responsible for manufacturing and shipping your product. You need to ensure that your supplier is reliable and can deliver quality products on time. Next, you need to build your e-commerce website. The fastest and easiest way to launch a website that supports a dropshipping business model is to use a simple e-commerce platform like Shopify. You don't need any tech skills to launch a Shopify store. It's really as simple as creating a Facebook page. Then comes the step of implementing a customer acquisition strategy. This could be through SEO, PPC, content marketing, or even social media marketing. The goal here is to drive traffic to your website and convert that traffic into sales. Finally, analyze and optimize. Use Google Analytics and other measurement tools to learn what works and what doesn't. Make changes as necessary to optimize your business. In summary, starting a dropshipping business involves identifying a niche, conducting a competitive analysis, securing a supplier, building an e-commerce website, implementing a customer acquisition strategy, and then analyzing and optimizing your business. It's a business model that requires minimal investment, but can yield significant returns if done correctly. Remember, every journey begins with a single step. So why not take that step today and venture into the world of dropshipping? It might just be the business opportunity you've been waiting for.